on everyone? You're watching Emeroy TV, the place to move, groove, and grow. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys another variation of the move suicide or Deadman's. This time coming from a plank, jumping in right into a suicide, just like what you saw in the demo. Signed by the judge and the man, but they died now. We standing up and she's sitting down. Better watch for the hole from a monster in the ground. If you're black or you're brown, eyes on the ground. As of the tears. Just like before, if you're watching this and you haven't watched the beginner version of it, stop, go back, watch that one, because that's really going to help teach you the proper way of how to land and catch yourself. Okay, and sorry for the beeping. Been filming here for a while, and that just doesn't stop. So at least during the day. Anyways, I'm not gonna go into that. So, anyways, make sure that you understand how to catch yourself. Get used to doing the pendulum one, especially since the other one I'm going to teach you comes from a torquing and twisting position. That's an important one to learn. This one's coming from not a torquing position, but coming from more like a lateral movement. So coming from here, shooting your feet out, as you saw in the video, into a suicide. That I'd say the prerequisite for that is not just decent push-ups, really good push-ups, and being able to do at least some plyo push-ups. So I have a busted shoulder, but not busted, but slightly, maybe just my shoulder's kind of messed up. So make sure you can at least do this, okay? Or even better, if you can go full on, whole body, you know, kind of push-ups. So, because that's what's gonna give you the boost that you need for your suicide. Okay, so the idea is you come from any kind of footwork you want. Okay, a default one that I teach my students is going from here into coffee grinder into plank. Okay, from here, just since we're just doing the breakdown first, I jump. Okay, I jump. Okay, I kind of use I think I might use my feet. This is one of the things that I might do subconsciously, but I'm not too sure. So here, your goal is to get through here, okay, and then back. Okay, I'm not that flexible, so that's one of the reasons why I rely a lot on my explosive strength, because if I were more flexible, I would just easily just shoot my hands through. But considering that I don't have that kind of flexibility right now, I'm just working with what I have, and that's taking advantage of my explosiveness. Okay, so from here, a beginner version could be from push up, okay, pulling it from the side, like literally sliding on your butt. Okay, so don't do what I just did, that was a mistake. Okay, come from here, catch your fall, tuck your chin to your head, to your chin to your chest. Okay, not like this, like this. Cool? Like you're aiming for like the ugly double chin, but you can't see it because of having a beard. Okay, so one more. Now I'm gonna do it a little faster. The beginner version, where you pick either right or left, or you swing your leg through into a suicide. Okay, so you end up here. Okay, really, this is where the momentum carries you, and knowing how to fall properly really matters. Okay, so from here, you push up and then land back. Okay, so up. See that? So catch, swinging it through. Not having to use a whole lot of strength for that one, but it kind of gives you the idea to get through. Okay. Now, when you feel comfortable, this is after knowing that you're comfortable doing your plyo push-ups and knowing how to properly catch yourself. Okay, you jump up as high as you can, like up. Okay, kick your feet through. Okay, and land. Okay, so I'm gonna come from here, boom. Okay, I might be doing something subconsciously with my feet, and I don't know about it. So pay attention to things I might not catch and teach. So that's why I do my best to take my time teaching this. Okay, here, push and kick. Okay, cool. And even then, I still favored one side a little bit more. If you watch and pay attention, I pushed, kept my left hand favored a little longer as I kicked this way. you might watch if you saw. So try it again. Okay. Boom. So you have it coming from here, and it's kind of a really awkward position to begin with because your energy is just down already. So that's why the explosiveness helps, or the momentum from your coffee grinder may help. Is it gonna help? Because your body is already in the moment of moving. So from here, boom, boom. Okay. So I think I might do a slight butt lower back catch thing. So keep an eye out for that. It's different from things I consciously know I'm teaching and things I'm subconsciously missing. So watch out for those cues. So that's it. Simple plank suicide. Again, make sure you have good plyo push-ups, good understanding of how to catch yourself. Kind of reminds you of some jiu-jitsu stuff. Don't just learn this and then move on to the next move. If this is something that you really want to learn, take your time to practice it. Okay, like one of the things I teach, or the methods I teach, is like practicing it like reps, 5 sets of 10. Okay, it all comes into the muscle memory. That's why practicing it in repetition is key, because you want your movement to become subconscious, and then the next level of that would be integrating it into your freestyle. Okay, and that requires your mind being very conscious and aware of adding these moves together, and it's gonna feel awkward and sucky at first, and but that's okay. That's part of the process. Eventually, you get to a point where your moves flow together in the subconscious level. Okay, what matters is the repetition, and the very, very mindful repetition. Don't just be like, kind of go through the motions. You're only going to get the same result if you're constantly aiming to do each rep better than the prior one. Okay, that's how you improve. That's intentional practice. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you like this video, hit the like button. Make sure you hit subscribe. Make sure you hit the little bell so you guys get an update on whenever I post a new video, whether it's personal development, a lot of the dance stuff I share on here, my vlogs. So because this channel's evolved into something so much more, and I'm not about to start another channel just to separate different aspects of my life. I'm more than just a dancer, guys. I'm a family guy. I'm a family guy. I'm a family guy. I run my own company, and I'm a dancer. So, I just want to keep that all in one place. And if it's your first time checking out an episode from Emeroy TV, and you're just starting one move, and you've tried to learn multiple moves already, and you want to be able to, put moves at ease, you don't need. One of the things I like teaching people is that you don't need a whole bunch of moves to look badass at breaking. You need to find the good-looking few. I like the 80-20 rule. Look for the best looking, visually, aesthetically pleasing moves. Learn those, practice it, and learn how to put it together. And that's exactly what I do with my online workshop. Okay, I teach you guys not just the foundation moves, but I teach you the best looking beginner moves that make you look like that you've been doing it for good month, 2 months, 3 months. And I teach you guys not just the moves, also how to put it together, how to feel good putting it together. It's because it's one thing, like I said, to be conscious and doing these moves. Kick, step, out. It's another thing to feel natural. You see those people who just do things with ease? That's what I want for you. So that sounds dope. Click on the link down below, sign up for the online workshop, and I'll see you there. If not, I'll see you guys in another episode of Emeroy TV. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.
Yo, I just want you to say and repeat after me. Come on, it's like this. You do what you want.